Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. Um, Usually I make the video on Saturday for the next whole week, but I had a few emails. Right, so I said, okay, let me just go ahead and make one, and then show you what is happening. Okay, so this is the chart. I made a gold 4 hour chart on the 13th June, which was last Saturday, and I said this is probably going to happen this week, right? So the idea was that we bounces from here. So I said we're going to be going into this area. Either it's going to be like wave one, two, followed by three, four, five to the upside, an impulse wave. Or if it is going to be a wave four of this count, one, two, three, and then four and five, then it will be either four or only A of four, then we're gonna have B and then C, and then that will be the end of wave four. But also it can be just four here and then we drop for wave five. And if we stop here somewhere, let's say 40 and 98 as wave two, then if we bounce from here, then it will be wave one and two, and then we go up from there. So that was the idea. And it shows here everything, right? And this is daily wave four. Actually, the drama is happening in wave four of the daily chart. Let me show you. The daily chart drama is this. So the question is that this blue count, wave three, and then this is A, B, and then C, some kind of like, wave four. Either it ended here or it might end here at 38.86. It is dropping right now, and we have big number, this one, 40.98 to bypass. This is the number that I'm showing on my 4 hour chart, right? And this is the one I had it here earlier in this one as well, 40.98. So idea was that we're gonna go up and then drop here. So started to go up, and then we went up there into this area, and then I made the chart that okay, now probably gonna drop here for wave two here, and then slowly it started to drop and drop and drop and drop here. Right now we are right here, but in fact more than that, right? So let me show you. I recorded this chart, hoping that maybe 23% line is going to give us a bounce, but that didn't happen. And then we dropping even more to the downside. Here's the current chart, right? Live current chart. So we powerfully dropping here is as maybe like I said, that it might be going all the way to this wave five. Or if we are going to bounce from this area, that is that we have to wait and and then see what will happen. This is the daily chart, right? So 4 hours like more clear chart, and then this is my Renko chart, which is this is the drama happening here. If you pull the fib from here to here, then you can see that the price went straight up to 61%, right? And then it drops from it ABC fashion, and it is very close still, poke into the 23% line, but still there. If we can stop here and then make, a turn to the upside, then it can go for 78%, and that would be a Gertley pattern. That's the calculation so far, so good for a Gertley pattern. Or it can just simply go all the way to 78 and then go to the upside. And that would be probably, 78, and then it might go to like maybe 38% of this flip, which I, erased. So it's gonna go there and then continue to drop for wave five to the downside, which will be this one here. So it may drop here, bounce, go up a little bit to the 42.15, and then boom, come down here. So these are the possibilities right now, and you know why? Because of the drama that's happening out there. Yeah, okay, we have MOU right now, but the agreement is signed or not, I don't know. Different news coming from different, news channels and all of that. So a lot of uncertainty out there, right? And somebody doesn't like the idea of the deal, and then they might try to, sabotage it and all of that. And anything can happen. Anything can happen. Nothing is certain right now. So this is why I have both counts in my way. And then since it's dropping, you can see that, this is how I benefit from my, let me see if I have it open here. Yeah, here. See that? This is the one. Let me see. There's another one. This is okay. This is the earlier one on the 18th today, from 43.06 to 42.50. That's the entry here and all the way down. Then again, you see this one here? This is today. Just now I closed at from 42.07 to 41.70. And it's still dropping, right? So may stop right now, right here, right? So there's a big chance that I'm hoping that it stop and then go to the upside, and then I'll hit it to the upside, no problem. So see, my system is very very nice, and it give me precise entries actually, right? Let me show you quickly that see, this is the chart, that my main chart, and based on that I take the entry from this chart. For example, let me see. See, for example, this turn going to the upside, right? Forget about all that. I mean, every turn the same thing, same drama happened. Now, see this blue candle, when it started, that means that my reversal candle ended at the same time, right? Let me show you my reversal candle a little bit more to the upside. I mean, open it wide, right? So this is a reversal candle, wick to the top, wick to the bottom, very small body. Then the blue candle start. So when this red candle closes and the blue candle start, notice the time. This is 6:17:23:10. Now, after that, I need an entry, proper entry with the proper setup. So 6:17:23:10. Let's go take a look at that. Right now, this is 6:18. This is 6:18. This is 6:18. This is 6:17:23:20. We need 23:10. So we need 23:10 is right there. Even this one is entry. This one is beautiful entry. This one is entry. This one is entry. See that? So this is the beauty of. So once you have that, and for that reversal candle, I have EA made here. It's a 40-minute reversal. As soon as we have a reversal candle, it start beeping, right? So I know that the reversal candle is in place. All I had to do is to put my EA expert advisor on this chart, make it long only. So whenever the setup is there, it takes the long. Similarly, if you see here, see this candle here, to the downside, here's a reversal candle, bearish reversal candle, and it completed at today, 6:18 at 10:55. Let's see what happened after 10:65 on this chart. 10:55, sorry, not 65. So 10:55 today. So this is today, 9 o'clock, and this is 10:35, 10:55 is right there, right? So I need an entry after 10:55, and then you can clearly see that this is an entry here, right? This is an entry. This is not an entry. So probably if you made an entry here, it will knock out at break even, because after this much drop, we sit on a break even, right? On a break even. So we got knocked out here. Okay, no problem. And after that, continue to the downside. And right there's again, we have a beautiful short entry here, which SL never hit. So after the break of this low, we move our SL to break even, and you can see that from here, it now, you see all of it. Boom. This is how it is. Right? So, so this is the whole system actually, step by step. Nothing random and nothing no guesswork. If then, no. You just wait for the reversal candle beeping. When you have a beep, then you go and take the entry. Put the EA, EA takes the entry, no problem. Hold on just a minute. Let me get the phone. My son is outside. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, I'm making a video. What's up? Okay, just come. Okay. Hello. Okay, sorry about that. So anyway, so this is what it is. So now you know exactly what's happening. We are here, and I'm expecting that this might be wave one and two. It should be wave one and two, and then followed by wave three, four, five to the upside. But again, and then another thing, sorry, X, A, B, C, D, that's a Gertley pattern. That's a perfect calculation. We can have a reversal candle here, and that would be a perfect by the book Gertley pattern, going for D. So if we have a reversal candle here, I'll make the entry here and then go for that, right? So here, so this is what's happening. So like I said, that I had it when we were here. I said we're gonna go up here and then come down here. So that drama is finished, almost finished actually. My final target was this line here, 40.98. So we still haven't reached that there yet. But somewhere here, wave 2 should be finished, if it is going to be wave 2. If it is only maybe this is A of 4, then this can be only B of 4, and then we can go back, which I'm expecting. That is like a C of 4 would be a Gertley pattern. 61, 23, then 78 right here. Then the wave 4 will be finished as a Gertley pattern, bearish Gertley. And then we can come down here for wave 5 again. Or it may just come down here. So the question is, are we going to get, bounce from here or not? That's why if you look at that in my diagram, then you will see that this point C, point C could be anywhere between point A and B. And it's not written here, but on most of my diagram, it says that point C is a very critical point, right? For a diagram, like, let me show you quickly that, oh man, not this one. What am I doing? Look, this one here. See, this is what happened at point C. This can happen. Okay. Big one, man. Where is it? You see that? So, the upside down, man. Why? Why? Here. So you can see that you have X, A, B, C. C is the key point. Why? Because C can give you a turn, or it can just break and then go straight to these levels. So you got to be very careful around this. And this is usually is the 23% line of the same fib, which in this case we have same thing here, 23% line of the same fib. This is bearish, basically. I opened the right one and then I close. Anyway, so yeah, 61%, 23%. Let's see if we stop here and then we make a reversal. I'll be watching on this chart, actually. Right, so all of you, my subscribers, you have these charts, right? Renko charts. If you know, this is not the 30-minute. Minute has nothing to do with these Renko charts, right? You know that. So this is a box size. Even I forgot it. So if you don't have it, then email me so I can give you the box sizes for this one. So this is a very good guiding chart where you can apply the Elliott wave and harmonic pattern and very nice, precise turning points. Right? Well, for example, this one you try to go long, but then again, boom, you got the short reversal, and after that, look what happened. So you have, as long as it doesn't give you a long bullish reversal, you can just take the entries to the downside. Simple as that. In this case here, this drop is the same thing. So I had two big trades today. I just showed you, right? Based on that, because so far no reversal candle. It's keep dropping. But now here, I think I closed the second one here because this is a very crucial point, and it's not going to go straight to the downside. So that's for sure. So if worst come to worst, it's going to drop here. So I don't mind missing this much. I got plenty. So when it's bouncing from here and going there, then I'll get it. All right, shorts, I'm done with that for today at least. Later on, maybe, right? So maybe next week, again, short drama will start to the downside, like I said, for wave 5, right? So this is how the gold is doing, and this is it, right? So I hope I clarify everything. I forgot what those guys asking about email, but I just made the detailed video that this is how it is. And if you have these Renko candles in my system, use that. If not, whatever you're using it. But this is what I'm thinking. The daily chart and the weekly chart and all of that. This is my weekly chart here. This is what we are doing here. Basically, this is wave 1, 2, big wave 3. This is wave 4 only, right? After finishing this, we're going to go up for this wave 5. And that would be only the end of this wave 3. After that, big wave 4 is going to come. All right, so that would be like a few months down the road. Anyway, and the monthly chart, by the way, just to see, this is 1, 2, 3, and we are doing this wave 4. Once we're done with this, then we can go up for wave 5. All right. Anyway, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later. If you want to get this system, and if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo that I just showed you, then how do I do it, right? Whoops. harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, and all of that, right? So you need to sign up for one-on-one. Luckily, we are, these are the slow months, right? So I have more openings for one-on-one because people go on vacation and all of that. So you have a very good opportunity to sign up and learn, because without learning, this market is not that easy, right? But once you learn, you can do, amazing things. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.